Hello students, now today we are going to start the execution of your 8-bit number program. So in our previous class what we have seen, the how to write the program for addition of two 8-bit numbers, for multiplication of two 8-bit numbers. Now today we will be executing the program for multiplication of two 8-bit numbers. So once again I will be giving you the repeat telecast how we have written the program yesterday. That first we have initialized the accumulator with 0 0. Then we have moved that accumulator 0 0 answer to C register so that we can initialize C register for carry. Then after that we have taken two memory locations like 8850 and 8851 with the help of HLD instruction. In this 8850 will be pointed by L and 8851 will be pointed by H. So on L you will be having the number, on H you will be having the counts. Okay, so after that, after loading HLD instruction, we went for addition instruction. In addition instruction we wrote add L. That means L means what it will do, whatever number is there on L it will be added and the result will be stored in the accumulator. Now after the result is stored in the accumulator, we have to check, after addition we have to check whether there is a carry or not. If there is a carry, C register will be incremented by 1. If there is no carry, automatically it will jump to the loop and it will decrement the count, because if you are adding 5 times any number, that number will be like, as soon as you are adding, one number will be in accumulator number will be what, 0, and one number will be in L will be added with this accumulator. And what is our count is like 5 means it should add the number for 5 times. If it is adding 5 times, as soon as the 5 time addition is over, okay, simply it will do what, it should count should become 0. As the count is becoming 0, if count is not becoming 0, again it will jump to the particular number. That means it will jump to the memory location 8850 and it will take the next number. Again it will take that number and it will add with the accumulator answer. Again the answer will be stored in accumulator. So till what time it will do, till count is becoming 0, it will do this technique, okay, repeated addition technique, so that we should get the answer for same answer as multiplication answer. After that, as soon as the count is becoming 0, finally you will do what, finally you will be like, your program will be like end up. Now what you will do, then you will take the answer from accumulator, the answer which is in accumulator, you will take that answer. Finally that answer you will move into the memory location. Memory location you can give by your own. Okay, I have given here in your program 8861. You can give 8858 also, your wish. It depends on you which memory location you want to store. Then after that memory location is over, then now accumulator will be like empty. Now accumulator is empty means what you have to do, you have to move the data which is there in accumulator. Accumulator is empty. Now you have to move the carry which is there in C register to accumulator, because accumulator will only contact to the memory location, because we have to store the carry also. Whatever is the result of the carry means what, extra bit which is coming after the addition of the instruction. So whatever is the result of your carry, either it is 1 or 0, it should move to the memory location, because from starting onwards we are writing the program for memory location only. So we have to load the program also, we have to load the carry also in memory location itself. Okay, so what we will do, we will load the carry also in the memory location itself. Okay, then after the memory location we have loaded the carry, then what we will do, finally our program will be like end up. Then we can see the result. Now today we are going to see the result of your multiplication program on the 8085 microprocessor kit, whether it will be working or not. After executing only we will get the confirmation that this program, whatever program we have written, it is working or not. So as soon as we will execute, we will get the confirmation that our program will be like correct on 8085 microprocessor kit. Now we will start executing the program on 8085 microprocessor kit. Okay, now see, we will execute the program on your 8085 microprocessor kit. So this is your DC power supply, which is supplying the supply to the microprocessor. Okay, that is of 12 volts. Then this is your microprocessor kit. You have to press first reset. This is your microprocessor kit. On this microprocessor kit we will enter your memory locations and machine codes. You have written this program, again you have coded it into machine language. These codes from where we got from the hex code sheets. We got from this hex code sheets. Okay, this sheet, from this sheet only we got these codes. So now these codes are ready. In our previous classes we have seen the how to write the codes and how to write the program. Now this program we have written, again we have converted into machine language and we have entered the codes. Now so in this microprocessor kit also you have to simply enter this memory locations and you have to enter this machine codes. Then finally you will entering the input output memory locations. Okay, now first what you have to do here, examine memory. In examine memory you have to enter the first starting at the address of your program, that is 8000. Okay, 8000. Now we have to move on this place. For that, moving to this place you should press next. Then what is the code here? You are having AF and 4F, 2A, 50. This all you should enter. Okay, now AF. Okay, next means automatically it is incremented. Next on 8801, what is the code now? 4F, 0 to 2A, 4F. Next you have to press for 2A. Okay, sorry, 2A. Okay, then next, then you have to press what? 50. Okay, then next 50, then 88, then next, press next. On 5 you are having what? On 5 memory location is what? 85 D2. Okay, 85 and next D2. Okay, then press next. After that, on 7 you are having what? Okay, on 7 you are having OA, 0A. Then next this has reset. Wait, we will be doing examine memory 8000. Next 4F, next 2A, next 4 585 D2, then 0A. 7 you have got 0A. Next on 8 you should press 80. Next on 9 you should press 0C. On 9 you are having 0C. Then next you should press on A, you are having 25. Okay, next. Then on B you are having C2. On C you are having 05. Okay, next you are having 80. Next, on D, on E you are having 3 2. Next you are having next 61. Next on 10 88. Okay, see on 10 88 11 79 79. Next 11 you got 79. Next 3 2. Then next on 13th you got 60. Okay, next on 14 you got 88. Next EF, end of the program. Okay, now we have entered the program in your microprocessor kit. Now what we have to do, we have to load the data now. Okay, so reset examine memory. On which location we should load the data? 8850 and 8851. You can load 8850. Okay, we should load. On this we are loading 12. Next, here also I am loading 12. That means 12 number I am adding 12 times. Okay, then what I have to do? Reset examine memory 8850. What I have entered? 12 51 50 and 51 12. Then execute, go. Okay, it will go to 8000. Starting and execute. Okay, then reset examine memory. Then we have to check for data 8860. Then 61. See, once again we will execute examine memory 8000. Again it has gone. See, now we have to check the numbers whether we have entered or not. AF 4F 2A 50 88 85 D2 0A 80 0C 25 C2. Then we have to check C 05 80 32 61 88 7F 79 32 60 88 8F. Okay, then EF we have to enter here EF. Okay, previously 88. Okay, next EF, end of the program. Okay, after entering that you have to press reset examine memory 8850. On 8850 you will enter 12. Okay, 12 already it is there. Then again we will enter 12. We are adding 12 times. 12 you have to add 12 times. Okay, when you are adding 12 times, your answer will be 0144. Okay, so 01 will be coming on 8860 and 44 will be coming on 8861. So this is your answer. Now what you have to do? Execute, go. It will go to where? 8000. Okay, 8000, execute. It will be executed. Then reset examine memory. Where is your answer now? On 886144. On 8860 you should get 01 MSB LSB. So we will check 8860. You will check for the number. Okay, that is 01. We got 01. Okay, next you have to check for 8861. You got what? 44. Now whatever answer we got for multiplication of 8-bit number, like 61 we got 44, and on 60 we got 01. So finally our program is like executed, and we have run the program for multiplication of two 8-bit numbers. Now this is your program answer. You can see 886001. Here also you can see 886001. and next you can see 8861 you got 44, 8861 you got 44. Okay, so this is your answer for multiplication of two 8-bit numbers. Okay, now if you want to change your answer, you can press reset examine memory 8850. You can change it. Okay, 02. Next you can enter 51 means 05. Now 2 and 5 execute, go. It will go to 8000. Okay, execute, it will be executed. Reset examine memory, then you will be going 8860. What you will get here? 00 carry 61. So once we will check 8000 program, once again we will check and we will enter some other number. Okay, E F, next 10 11 12 13 14 15 you should enter EF. Okay, now okay, program is there. Next you have to enter for examine memory. Examine memory, we are entering some other number 88550. You will enter some number here. Okay, you will enter the number as 08, for example 08. Okay, on 50 you will enter 08. Next on 51 you will enter 05. Count is 5. Okay, then you should go execute, go. Execute, go. It will go to where? 8000. Okay, execute, go 8000. Executed. Then reset. You have to check the result. Okay, how you will check now? Examine memory 8860. You will check. Next 28. Okay, so your answer will be like 8 5s, you will be
40.
You will be getting, this number is converted into hex. Okay, next we will check once again this answer. Reset examine memory 8850. We will enter the number now 02. Next 05. Okay, execute, go. It will go to 8000. Executed. Result examine memory 8860. Next. Okay, A. Now but we got the result for 12. You can see the result 8000. EF 8, this plus 11 12 13 14 15. 15 means what you have to do here? EF. Okay, next you have to press reset examine memory 8850. We will put here 12. Okay, next you will also press here 12. We will confirm once again for 12. Execute, go. It will go to 8000. Okay, then execute it. Execution, then reset 88. Reset examine memory 8860. You will see 01 and 44. Then 12 into 12 you got 01 and 44. This is the answer for your repeated addition of 8-bit numbers. Okay, so by this, like you got 886061, that is 44, and next 01 is nothing but a carry. This is the position for the carry. You got the carry and you got this, what, 8861 you got the number, and this you got as carry. So this is your numbers 44, and previous one you can check 01, that is 01 and 44. So your answer is now confirmed. Okay, you got the answer as 12 into 12, you got 0144. That means you got the number, but 01 is on MSB, that is on 61, and next 44 is on 60. 60 you got 01, next 61 you got 44. So this is your final result of your addition of multiplication of two 8-bit numbers, which is repeated addition program. So by this we have completed the execution of repeated addition technique which is doing multiplication operation. So we got the confirmation that whatever program we wrote for multiplication of two 8-bit numbers is like correct, and there is no errors in it. We got 12 into 12, 0144. So this is our final answer. Next class I will be discussing with the division program. Okay, thank you.